The Hydrologic and Water Quality System, or OK-HAWQS for short, is a free web-based soil and water assessment tool, also known as SWOT. The Oklahoma Water Resources Center has partnered with Texas A&M University and the Oklahoma Conservation Commission to improve water quality and quantity assessments, as well as forecasting in the state by creating the OK-HAWQS platform free for anyone to use. OK-HAWQS has been designed to assess watersheds as small as 10,000 acres to as large as entire river basins. It allows users to model and simulate past, present, and future water quality and quantity problems, as well as how land management changes or the use of conservation practices may affect the state's water resources. Calibration for the model is simple. Researchers take existing data and adjust the model so that it behaves like what is observed. OK-HAWQS helps researchers save money, time, resources, and cover areas in which they may not have access. Users can conduct research in less time by picking a watershed and selecting the parameters they desire to produce a model, even seeing predicted changes in a simulated future version of that watershed. Even though it has been customized for the state of Oklahoma, researchers outside of the state are able to use it as well due to the zero cost and open accessibility. Visit ok.hawks.tamu.edu to create a username and password and get started today.